Hello guys, today excursion is to the historical site of Zelingrad. In translation we could say Green City. Our dear Megi, whom you know from our previous videos, join us on this short trip. That means you are all welcome to join us as well. It wasn't like we were just strolling around, but there was some steep climbing too. Not much, but it was. Here it is, our destination, Zelingrad. He used to look like this in the past, but that was a long time ago. And now a little history about the city. In 30th century the Mongols roamed this region, and after their departure it was decided that every region must have a castle, because who knows who would come to conquer it again. This is how this city was built on 3 occasions, and when they built it, it no longer had its purpose. Surprised? Owners changed through years who didn't know how to manage the castle, and like normal people, they abandoned it in the 17th century. However, there is a hope for this castle because it is in the restoration phase. We put a link on Megi Instagram account, so please check her out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and what we learned today, that the drone cannot pass through the trees.
Love you guys and see you soon.
Love you. Bye bye.